We are the real nesters, the real nesters, the real nesters, and we at it again. We are like Batman and Robin, the dynamic duo, battling the haters with laughs and grins. We are here to entertain you. Hope you're enjoying the channel, cause we like you. We are the real nesters, the real nesters, the real nesters, and we at it again.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's good, you guys? We've been gone for it seems like a millennium. But we are back right now. Hey, I'm putting on my shoes. I'm gonna catch Crystal off guard. She out there getting her compost together. So I'm getting ready to go out and see what she's doing. So take a walk with me as I go out and see what's happening. Hey, I'm talking to the Real Nesters fan. We back. I told them we back. We've been going for a year. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. That's my little worker lady right there. Y'all see her? What's she doing? Look. What's this, like cabbage or?
Yeah.
Cabbage?
Yeah.
What you doing out here? You the little worker girl.
Getting it ready for the winter.
Hey, you guys. So explain to everybody what exactly you got going on here. What is this? What you doing? What is this called? What's that orange thing over there?
I'm getting this. This where my vegetables were. Vegetable garden. I'm getting it ready for the winter time. And
so that means what? Nothing grows, right? You just keeping it right. So when you come back next season, everything is ready.
Cause you want your soil, you want it to rest for the winter.
Yeah.
But at the same time,
it's a little chilly out here.
yeah, it is. You want it to be nourished enough. You want to keep the nourishment in it to grow your stuff when it comes back.
Yeah.
So like.
But what you have in each one of these things? What did you have in this one?
Peppers.
Peppers.
Which actually come back annually. I've been finding out.
She been doing a real good job. The compost this year was the best compost, right?
Last year was. This is actually the remainder of last year compost. That's the remainder of last year compost.
Yeah.
And then this is the new one. I didn't do as good this year because I didn't keep it as moist as I needed to.
Yeah.
So I did a little research so I could keep watering it until the first frost.
And that rotates, right? It just and you got that off a good deal.
Amazon, of course.
Yeah, we'll give y'all a link if y'all want one compost like this thing rotates. See, it rotates around.
You can rotate it up in the air.
Yeah, because previously we had it just in that barrel. You have to roll and pick up and roll.
Yeah, this is anything we make, you could make a homemade version of it. So this one, the hubby, if you can see, drilled holes in it for me.
Yeah.
He just drilled a whole bunch of sporadic holes so that the water can drain and oxygen. Because the thing about compost, it takes the air and the dirt and all the other kind of stuff to get together to break down. So everything in here was like stuff from the kitchen.
Yeah.
Besides, I added real dirt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this compost all out here, but I'm going to put a little bit of it in here so I can keep recycling, like doing the same recycling and keep the same, I guess you want to say brand of compost. Yeah. If you want to say.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So, yep, I'm shutting it down for the winter time. Gotta get it going a little good.
I hear you.
Now my compost this year, like I said, wasn't the best because I ain't keep it as wet. You want to keep it every time you put stuff in there, you want to moisture it, turn it, because you want the sunlight, all the stuff. It's like a chemical reaction, basically.
And what's exactly in the soil, though? It's just dirt? What is it
in this one? Yeah. This is the compost from the year before last.
Yeah.
And it's dirt. Any scrappings from the house, any fruit and vegetable scrappings from the house.
I don't think I showed them what was in here though, because this is where basically, like I said.
Now this one is new because we added grass.
Yeah. Okay. So you put a little bit of everything, scraps from the house, grass. anything, and then it breaks down. If you can see it in there, I don't know where y'all can see it.
And I took all the old stuff from the compost and I dropped it back in there.
I got you. This just slides like that.
Yeah. So anything living,
yeah,
basically, is what you want to put in there, and that gives the nutrients back to the ground, and it saves our landfills.
Oh yeah.
So, cause you're not putting the trash in the trash.
So
no meat products.
Yeah.
No meat products. No meat products.
So we real nesters for the earth.
Yeah, something like that.
Hey, look, you tell the people that we got something good for them coming. Well, it's already in the project, so we got a foundation coming. So we're gonna try to help a lot of people in 2025 with the Thomas Foundation. So we got that coming. So you guys be on the lookout for that, and hope you guys support. All donations will go to help people and families in need. So definitely be on the lookout for that coming down the pipe for the 2025. Other than that, we got Gardener Crystal out here in the back, but they don't call you that though, do you? Hey Chloe, that's for you, Chloe. I know you're watching, so that's for you. For God,
she only say that to you.
they don't call you Gardener Crystal. All right, you guys, I just wanted to check in real quick. This was just a little quick video, guys. Be on the lookout because I'm doing a computer build. So if you guys ever wanted to see a computer build in action, this is probably like my 5th or 6th build over on my years. So I'm gonna build a computer from scratch. You're gonna see how it's built, and it's also actually gonna be for sale. So make sure you guys look out for that video within the next 2 weeks. I will give you a bigger time frame now, because you know we always say this, that, but within the next 2 weeks you're gonna see a video of a complete computer build. So other than that, we're gonna sign out because I'm gonna go get me a cup of coffee because it's kind of chilly out here. But this is the real Nesters back on the scene with the Gangster Lean. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.